Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have an Apple Watch Series 11 and you love listening to music, then you'll be happy to know that you can use Spotify directly from your watch. You don't always need to take out your iPhone to enjoy your favorite songs, playlists, or podcasts. In this video, I'll show you how to download Spotify on your Apple Watch Series 11, how to use it, and all the useful features you should know. So let's get started. First, make sure Spotify is already installed on your iPhone and you're logged into your Spotify account. Now, on your Apple Watch, press the digital crown and open the App Store. Tap the search button and type Spotify. Once you find the official Spotify app, tap download and wait for the installation to finish. After that, open Spotify on your Apple Watch. If you're already logged into Spotify on your iPhone, the watch will automatically connect to your account. Now you're ready to listen to your favorite content. From the home screen, you'll see your recently played music, playlists, albums, and podcasts. Simply tap on anything you want to play. You can also search for new music directly from the watch. Spotify lets you browse different categories including genres, artists, playlists, languages, podcasts, and much more. Like here I am searching all the Hindi songs which are polar and also with popular artists. So whether you like pop, rock, Bollywood, classical or workout music, you can quickly find what you're looking for. Another great feature is downloading music directly to your Apple Watch. Open a playlist, album or podcast that you want to save. Tap the download option and Spotify will store it on your watch. Once it's downloaded, you can listen to it even without an internet connection. This is perfect for running, walking, traveling or going to the gym without carrying your iPhone. If you have the cellular version of the Apple Watch Series 11, you can stream music directly using a 5G or cellular connection even when your iPhone is not with you. You can also stream using a Wi-Fi connection whenever it's available. This means you can enjoy your favorite songs almost anywhere. While music is playing, you can easily control everything from your watch. Pause or play music, skip to the next song, go back to the previous track, adjust the volume, shuffle playlists, or repeat songs with just a few taps. You can also connect Bluetooth earbuds like AirPods for the best listening experience. It also lets you play songs using inbuilt speaker. Spotify also supports podcasts, so you can listen to your favorite shows directly from your Apple Watch. Just open the podcast section, choose an episode, and start listening. That's all there is to it. As you can see, Spotify on the Apple Watch Series 11 is easy to set up and gives you access to music, playlists, podcasts, offline downloads, and online streaming right from your wrist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe to it.